We've all had one of those mornings. For Stockport County kit man John, the last thing he needed on match day was to accidentally scratch the chairman's car. Fortunately for John, LSH Auto Accident and Repair Centre knows how to deal with it quickly and efficiently. Based in the heart of Stockport, our state-of-the-art accident and repair centre provides affordable, industry-leading solutions for all your vehicle repair needs. You can bring your vehicle in and our friendly team will talk you through the process, take a look at your car and give you a quote while you wait. We can even carry out your repairs on the same day, so you can get back to your busy schedule. Our trained and highly skilled technicians use cutting-edge equipment to restore your car back to perfect condition. No job is too small for the LSH Auto team of experts. They are on hand to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Because when it comes to your vehicle, you come first, always.